Hello, my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader, Maaz Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this video here is because of our brother, because of our Igbo youth that are willing to join Nigeria soldier. This video is the video that the ISWAP released, showing how they are acquiring Nigeria soldier. So I plead every Igbo youth, if you know that you want to join Nigeria soldier, be careful. Or if you tell me to say something on this particular issues, I will tell you to stop joining Nigeria soldier, because these people are not there to save you. Just few days ago, Nigeria government sent their fighter jet to Benin Republic, and now they cannot secure their land. So share this video.
A very, very quick one. In my tiger base in a hair trendy because of human rights violations, bobo tibo na ihende nkozo. I told him you tiger base today. Because I will take a kuroku tiger base. Oh no, no Imo State gama na mona tiger base a gujeleji wa jembas. In the kind of arad and arodia and the detention of people and the violation of people's rights and media. So I will come kuta. But actually you kuoku shaba. Shaba wo funem yabo Adamu Shaba Boyoga. You know, as you know, CSO na government house. Not CSO na government house. You know, let me start like this. On a case in on track for the past 3 weeks. A case of a young man about in a tiger base because of business transaction. Yana another person numere. A business transaction, yana another person, they brew the change or whatever. So the business transaction went wrong. So the only one shaba now run a government house. Shaba brew this young man. They brew this young man. That guy called almost 2 months na tiger base. A bell or the guy with a go, you know. Ebelu that guy. That guy apota. Before you know it, I see the boy be adon when he had to before you know it, piam. Ebuda had the guy again. Subu na tiger base. Until the family reached out to me. All the second one on na tiger base like the family reached out to me. So I had to call Ola. Say what is wrong? What is the problem? Why will you people be handling a civil matter? Are you people EFCC that recovers debt? So yeah, so Shaba now order. Of course we know that the Shaba when had a problem. Ye digola a mega arrest. Once again a Shaba mo somebody magi mashaba use Shaba. Oh, tiger base, so. And the Shaba na here get here commissioner of police in No. Shaba on his own is a commissioner on his own. He is his own CP. On a hair gent, on a hand no this guy. So man track this matter. Now track all say okay, the family should come. The family the still nothing will happen. Okay, I see that the guy Oju they go, I see now 12 million. I say okay. When Koji, ya wete, kede, so that go the why you never get it. Now kubata the ogo. I said I kucha the entire 12 million. And I say no to shall kucha the entire 12 million. And even the fault, what she remains self, she who the guy in Aka. And the worst part of it, when I got la court on this matter, before Allah, this guy again, to boye na sell. The second one, Ekurumi akwushie ike, Tiger Base anaghị respect court order. Gị wuru onye judge, wuru magistrate in order there. Even if they are ha nwa aga kante. You would a lawyer got Tiger Base, they will push you out. They will slap you. So, like I said, I don't mean Tiger Base. Because Tiger Base, onye na-esom n'Imo State. Na amaghị that na mụ na Tiger Base na alụ ezigbo ọgụ. Onye na amaghị that one. But okwu aka mbi ikwu now. Okwu mbi ikwu about Shaba. So if you are talking of Tiger Base, also talk about Shaba. Talk about Shaba too. Now, even the chief of staff. About this matter. Because I don't want to go on air. I don't want to go public. I don't want to go on social media with this matter. But at the end of the day, now the family are saying what they can offer is 500,000. Then payment plan the money. Haju. Not the money. For the past 2 weeks, now here I can't until yesterday or so. Hana put the family 3 million. And I put the family 3 billion. Kitaka the family na bokwamna na sin or lap or that boy or na IPO the boy. But I say he should come back. Don't worry, after giving you people 3 billion, who do that boy again? To go here na Tiger Base. All you know because Shaba is not yet satisfied. Ola, you want to satisfy Shaba to your detriment. See how you are trending, Ola. See how you are trending. Is it good for you? Is it good for you? You see how you are trending. People are using you to trend. When they use you, finish, they will use you and you will be the one trending. You want to satisfy Shaba? This boy again now. Kuboku again on a Tiger Base. That the boy that has spent almost close to 1 month. After spending almost 2 months, the first one cannot spend the other 1 month. Spend the Kuku again. Go spend the like another 3 months till 2026. But I didn't go to Tiger Base. On what they him to you no. I want to counter whatever now make up to show that you know when you megano. I can get it. But I would soon one day be one day. Oh, monkey go market, he no go return. I told you people 2022. I repeated it in 2023. And I repeated it in 2024. I go tell you soon one day. Monkey go market, he no go return. That person where they use you na go deny you na. She no mind who mega. On your own. Go back and remember what I have been telling you in the Tiger Base. If this boy will Stanley, Kamununu ga chipuya. If this boy will Stanley now, Nankie, Kamununu ga chipuya. Many arrest again. Arrest that guy again on debt ashikwa, debt ashiho. Kam Junu, Muna EFCC. A case that is in court. Una violated the court, violated the temple of justice. Neme Hesorunu. Magistrate kuna hano, judge kuna hano, ndelo ya buna kwa ha kama hora, kwapo ha from the gate. Nanke this guy can you munu ye jeta of anyona. Okwananke this boy will Stanley. Nankiye kamunu ye jeta of anyona. Akwana that boy hake again. Unana weara.
Igbo community in Burkina Faso donated 40 tons of building materials to support President Ibrahim Traore towards national development. My beloved Igbo people, is there any corner of the world you will not go and leave a remarkable mark of progress and development? Everywhere you settle, you uplift, you build, and you contribute. I say it proudly and without apology. I am a fierce daughter of Igbo. The latest example from this spirit of excellence comes from Burkina Faso. The Igbo community of Nigeria living in Burkina Faso has made a generous and impactful contribution to the Faso Mebo Presidential Initiative, a development project championed by Burkina Faso's President, Captain Ibrahim Traore. In a powerful show of solidarity, unity, and goodwill, the community donated 40 tons of cement, 8 trailers of sand, 8 trailers of granite, shovels, and wheelbarrows. This gesture represents far more than materials. It symbolizes the Igbo people's consistent roles as agents of positive change wherever they go. According to Sunday Ifediora, the president of the Igbo community in Burkina Faso, the donation was made collectively by all Igbo nationals residing in the country. He explained that the Igbos wanted to support the Fasomebo initiative because they live peacefully and comfortably in Burkina Faso and feel a sense of belonging. He emphasized that the project was laudable and that the community was committed to supporting it with all their strength. But the Igbos did not stop at donating materials. In true Igbo fashion, where action speaks louder than words, they rolled up their sleeves and joined the workforce on site. Members of the community picked up shovels and wheelbarrows and worked alongside Fasomebo teams, mixing sands and cements for pavement construction. They said this was their way of showing that they also consider Burkina Faso their home and that they are deeply invested in its growth. Sunday Ifediora also encouraged other foreign communities in Burkina Faso to contribute to the country's development. He noted that helping to build the nation they reside in is both noble and necessary. The donors who arrived in large numbers expressed joy and pride in being able to give back and participate in something they considered meaningful and transformative. The Igbo legacy, builders, innovators, and humanitarians. Stories like this reinforce a simple truth. Wherever the Igbo people go, development follows. Whether in Nigeria or across Africa, the Igbo consistently demonstrate leadership, resilience, hard work, and a genuine commitment to community advancement. They become part of the society they live in, contribute to local economies, build infrastructure, create opportunities, and foster unity. This is who we are. Nation builders, innovators, and compassionate contributors. And once again, the Igbo community in Burkina Faso has proven that Ndi Igbo do not just talk development, they create it. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.